what have people used as they've made the switch during the COVID epidemic recently, and the recent switch to online classes, is the most common tools were operational. And this kind of makes sense. So, 50% were using these kind of operational tools. So this is sort of along the idea of we're going to just take our class and move it online. So now instead of meeting in room 204 at 9 o'clock, we're going to meet in a Zoom meeting at that time. And so there was more focus on that than there was on the curriculum, developing new curriculum, changing the curriculum, adapting the curriculum. And it makes sense, right? This was, I'm sure this, for you too, this was the system, you had to just get it working in some regard. But I think as the system develops, as we spend more time online, the effort is gonna, the technology system is going to get less focus, and the curriculum and learning tools are going to get more focus.